Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can fix I lose my connection after 10 seconds and on AnyDesk. So let's get started. First guys, as you can see here, go to your AnyDesk application and click on setting. After click on setting, click on connection. As you can see here, this error I will solve with you guys step by step. Click here guys, allow direct connection coach here and click apply. As you can see here, and the problem guys you will solve, and you just click on firm on setting and restart again AnyDesk, and the problem you will solve. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. Any question guys, down and comment here and I will answer your question.